everyone, welcome to my channel You Can with Dr. Anjana. Okay, smoking is one of the major lifestyle changes that had taken place for such a long time, and its rate is quite alarming, especially these days. So in this video I am going to discuss what are the physical changes that could happen in the body as a result of smoking. Before let's look at the reasons behind this or influence behind this smoking. Let's look at what are the influence behind smoking. Sometimes it could be just starting from the home itself. A child considers his parents as the most important role models in their life. If their parents is having a tendency, or if they are a regular smoker, then there is a chance, or there is a more chance for developing this habit on those childs. Similarly, if child is going to school and if their teachers or seniors are asking them to take a puff or expressing or compelling them to take a puff, although this habit might be starting as just a thrill, but it slowly becomes a habit. Next one is availability. These days, most shops besides schools have all these tobacco banned products which they are selling illegally. So for a child it's available if he wants. It's said that in a tobacco or cigarette there are more than 5,000 chemicals are present. Among these, at least 50 are carcinogenic. So let's look how it affects our body. First, let's start with circulatory system. The nicotine present in the cigarette has a tendency to constrict the blood vessel and thereby blood flow get reduced. As a result, there will be less amount of oxygen available in each cell, which makes the heart to pump more. As a result, there is a more chance for higher blood pressure. Next, in case of immune system. So in these persons, the WBC count is reducing or it's in lesser amount. As a result, if there is an infection, it takes much more prolonged time to get proper healing. So worst case scenario could be affecting at the time of unexpected accidents. Then if there is a surgery, it takes much more time for these people to get healed. Likewise, for these people, there is a premature aging of skin, and since they are giving a clear message how cigarettes could harmfully affect the lungs. So this smoking habit has a greater impact on lungs. In case of lungs, it's said that more than 85% of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease as well as the lung cancer arises as a result of this habit. Next, regarding cancer, it's just not limited to mouth cancer. It's reaching mouth, oropharynx, larynx, throat, bladder, uterus. So there is a higher chances of cancer for these patients. In case of cardiac system, it results in higher rate of strokes or other cardiac problems. Smoking can also affect the reproductive system. In both male and female, the infertility rate could be high. In case of women, there is lesser chances of pregnancy rate, and if the person smokes at the time of pregnancy, it could result in fetal development disorders along with low birth rate or premature delivery. In case of man also, there is lesser chance of fertility. Since there is no proper blood circulation is reaching these organs, there are more chances of erectile dysfunction for these people, and it could normally leads to psychological problem as there is a greater chance of anxiety for these people and automatically it could result in the breakage of relationships. Okay. Do you even know that it could affect the sense of smell as well as taste? In addition to this, it could also lead to some physiological altering the appearance. It is clearly visible in case of staining of teeth, and there is bad odor for the mouth. Studies shows that there is a higher amount of anxiety and depression for these people. Moreover, it could affect the relationship between family members as well as friends and relatives. If you are already addicted to smoking habit, it's not too late. You could you could visit a doctor, and then they will give a proper advice plan for you, and it's necessary that you should know how it affects your body. And not only limited to that, it also affect the relationship between you and your family members. So I always advise to quit this habit if possible. Slowly, slowly, you could even reduce the amount of cigarettes that you take.